Hello, and welcome to 7 Minutes English, where you learn easy English step by step. I'm Alex.
And I'm Nina. Hello! Alex, are you a morning person? Do you wake up early?
Not really. In the morning, I'm very slow. I need a big cup of coffee.
Me too. Well, today our topic is the morning routine. We will learn 6 easy phrases to talk about what you do every morning.
Simple English daily, hey! Come and learn a little every day.
Perfect. Everybody has a morning routine. Let's start.
But first, a fun question, Alex. Many people have a hot drink in the morning. But after water, what is the most popular drink in the whole world?
Ooh, I drink coffee, so coffee?
Is it A, coffee, B, tea, or C, cola?
I'll say coffee?
Maybe. I'll tell you the answer at the end. Keep listening.
So, Nina, what is the first thing you do in the morning?
Well, first, I wake up. Wake up.
Wake up. To wake up means to stop sleeping and open your eyes. I wake up at 6 o'clock, but sometimes you wake up and you stay in bed.
That's true. So the next step is to get up. Get up.
Get up. To get up means to get out of bed. I wake up at 6, but I get up at 6:30. Say it with me. I get up early.
I get up early. Good. And after I get up, I feel sleepy. So I have a shower. Have a shower.
Have a shower. To have a shower means to wash your body with water. A cold shower wakes me up. In American English, we also say take a shower.
Good to know. Next, it's very important to brush your teeth. Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth. To brush your teeth means to clean your teeth with a toothbrush. I brush my teeth every morning and every night. Say it with me. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth. Then I can't go out in my pajamas, so I get dressed. Get dressed.
Get dressed. To get dressed means to put on your clothes. I get dressed and choose a nice shirt.
And finally, I'm hungry, so I have breakfast. Have breakfast.
Have breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. I have breakfast and a cup of tea. And then I'm ready for the day.
A perfect morning routine. Now, let's practice. I will say a sentence about my morning. Then you try and tell us about your morning. Ready?
Ready. Number 1.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Number 2.
I have a shower.
Number 3.
I brush my teeth.
Number 4.
I get dressed. Great job! Now you can talk about your morning routine in English.
Now, the answer to our question. After water, what is the most popular drink in the whole world? I said coffee.
Good guess. But the answer is B, tea. After water, tea is the most popular drink in the whole world. Billions of people drink tea every day.
Tea? Really? I need to drink more tea. Maybe in the morning, with your breakfast. Let's say our 6 phrases again. Wake up, to stop sleeping and open your eyes. Get up, to get out of bed. Have a shower, to wash your body.
Brush your teeth. To clean your teeth.
Get dressed, to put on your clothes.
And have breakfast. To eat your first meal.
Great work today. Now you can talk about your morning routine in English.
What do you do every morning? Tell us in the comments in English. See you next time.
Bye.
Simple English daily. Hey! Learn a little every day. Watch and smile, come and stay.